Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your LG Stylo 41 Pro. First, enable auto rotate in the quick settings. We want to make sure it is enabled. Now, we need to find it. It might be in a different place, but I have it right here. Auto rotate is on. Next, we're going to test the gyroscopes in different apps by tilting our phone. Let me open a phone app as an example and tilt it. As you can see, it works fine. We can try another app like Messages, Contacts, or Chrome. Everything works fine. Now, we're going to restart the phone to reset the sensors. Press the power button, volume up button, and tap restart. The phone is restarting and I'll see you in a second once it's done. After the restart, we're going to update our software to fix any sensor issues. Let me quickly enter the password. Everything is loading up, and soon we should be able to open the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll all the way down until we see System, then press on System Updates. As you can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. This is important because you want to ensure you're on the latest version without any glitches. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. See you in the next one. Bye.